a super song for the cause. Feel a load in your brain for the episode. It was just begun. Brother Black, the beat is back. And you don't, I won't. If you're still, I will take 3 jams and hold them. This was I told them. Rock the other side, the sucker lied. Said he would shock him, but never tried it. So I took him away, I never stayed, y'all. He made a jam that gets you slammed back to back in the place where the suckers are born. Whatever it takes to make it hardcore. That's what you're buying for. Pulling your ride, the DJ decides to play it on the radio. The A side, he gives it a try. Never really gives it a try. People request the best on the B side. B side.